legal firearms.
Alright, we got an unboxing video. We got something for my p365 AXG Legion. It's not loaded. So I ordered this. It's the Werkz holster. Comes in nice packaging. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Werkz M6 inside the waistband holster for the p365 AXG Legion with a light and a Foxtrot 2 weapon lights. And let's see what else we got. Universal 1.5-inch clips. That's an upgrade. And then we got the radius for the extra mag holster. Let's see if there's anything else that came with it. We got some Werkz stickers. That's pretty cool. Very nice packaging. Give them credit for that. Really nice. All right, let's check out the holster. Very nice material. See, it's the holster. I'll get some more up close videos in a second. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. Check it out. This is the extra mag carrier. It's flexible. Got all the screws and whatnot. These are the alright, can't get it open. Leave that package. Clips. There's a bunch of screws in there. I'm gonna leave that so I don't lose that. So this is gonna mount like this with the screws. Let's do a quick fitment check. See how this works out. Perfect. Our tension is very good. Locks in there. Very nice. Oh yeah, very nice. Been wanting one of these for a while, so now I can start carrying my Legion. So I already have a holster for my X macro, and I carry my FN a lot, my reflex. So I'm gonna start carrying this bad boy. See how that works out. So this is the Werkz M6 inside the waistband holster. Seems like a great company, a lot of great reviews. I'm gonna try it out for the next couple weeks, and I'm gonna give my honest opinion on what I think of these. They're not cheap, but they're supposed to be really good, so we'll check it out. I think the holster itself was, I think, $85. I just went with the regular black. And then I think this one was probably like, I'm not sure, I have to double check, I think like $40 for the X mag. So everything came in, only took maybe from order date to delivery date, maybe like 4 days. So that was awesome, perfect. So we're gonna try this out, see how this works out. And I'm hoping this is gonna be really nice. Yep, so this is just a quick unboxing, and then I'll do a review on this later once I get some time with it. These are fully adjustable, so you can make it higher or lower, depending on how you like it. You can change the angle too if you need to. So, all right, that's the Werkz inside the waistband holster, and I'll do a follow-up video once I get probably a couple weeks of everyday usage out of it and see how I feel with it. So, all right, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a Werkz, or which one you recommend, you know, which one works great for you. So not too many options for the AXG Legion, but we're gonna test this one out. This one should be really good. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a follow-up. Just a little close-up video of, so you guys can see what it looks like, the material. Looks really good. Gotta put this together. Check it out. These will go like that, and these are the clips, so you can change these out and just put the clips. I'll test those out too, see how those work out. So far so good. Love everything. The packaging is great. Big shout out to Werkz holsters. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.